In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website on Hostinger Vps. Now, let's dive right in and get started on setting up your website. First, you need to log into your Hostinger account. Once you've logged in, navigate to the control panel, where you'll see the VPS you want to manage. Click on the VPS you intend to use for hosting your website. Inside your VPS dashboard, you'll have various options and tools at your disposal. One key tool is setting up the operating system. Most people use Linux distributions like Ubuntu for hosting, and I'd recommend going with Ubuntu for its stability and support. Select your preferred version and initiate the setup. This process might take a few moments, so feel free to grab a coffee while waiting. With the operating system up and running, we'll move on to securing your VPS. It's crucial to ensure that your server is protected from unauthorized access. Start by updating your existing packages. You can do this by connecting to your VPS using SSH. If you're unfamiliar with SSH, it might sound a bit technical, but don't worry. Open your terminal and type SSH root at your Vps address and press enter. Replace your Vps address with your actual IP address. Once connected, update your package lists and upgrade the installed packages by typing sudo apt get update and then sudo apt get upgrade. These commands will ensure your server is equipped with the latest security patches and updates. Once your system is up to date, install a web server. Apache is a popular choice due to its comprehensive documentation and wide support. Install Apache by entering sudo apt install apache 2 and let it complete its installation process. With Apache installed, you can check its status by typing system.status apache 2. Make sure it's active and running. This means your server is correctly configured to handle HTTP requests. Next, let's install PHP and a database to pair with our web server. PHP is essential for running dynamic websites. Install it using sudo apt install php lib apache 2 mod php php mysql, which will also include MySQL support for database management. Speaking of databases, MySQL is a fantastic choice for handling data for your site. Install MySQL by typing sudo apt install MySQL server. Be sure to run sudo MySQL secure installation afterwards. This command helps you set up a root password and secure your MySQL installation by removing unnecessary default settings. Now that your server environment is ready, upload your website files. Utilize an FTP client like FileZilla for this, as it makes file transfers straightforward. In FileZilla, connect to your VPS using your IP address and login credentials. Upload your website files into the var www.html directory on your server. Ensure all necessary files and folders are properly transferred to see your website come to life when visiting your VPS IP address in a browser. And just like that, you've successfully set up your website on Hostinger Vps. If you run into any issues or need more advanced configurations, don't hesitate to reach out to Hostinger's customer support. They're always happy to help. Enjoy hosting your website and happy coding!